The next process is drilling the holes on the panels on the CNC drilling machine, which we can drill right down to 0.3 diameter, which will give a finished hole of 0.2, and we go up to 6.5 millimeters diameter. The panels are loaded in either manually or they can be auto-loaded and run unaided through the night. It auto-loads and auto-unloads. The machine runs unmanned if necessary. It laser detects the drill diameter so that it cannot drill the wrong size hole, and it also checks for concentricity of the drill so that it's running true, and it adjusts the feeds and speeds to suit the drill size that's in the collet.